This could be the car for you. The 2020 Ram 1500. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Ram 1500 strikes the perfect balance between tough strength and passenger comfort. Its fuel efficiency, impressive towing capacity, and safety features make it your go-to vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, remote engine start, fog lamps, dual zone AC, electronic stability control, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. Get the truck that's both strong and comfortable to drive. Get into the Ram 1500.